Welcome to this stunning transformation story, where simplicity meets luxury. Take a look at this living room before the makeover. Clean, bright, but empty. A blank canvas with endless possibilities. Now, step into the magic. The first thing that catches your eye? That rich emerald green velvet sofa, inviting, stylish, and full of character. Paired with two contemporary armchairs, it creates a cozy yet sophisticated seating area, perfect for conversations and comfort. Notice the coffee table, sleek marble top, gold trim. It's not just furniture, it's a statement. We've highlighted the wall niches with spotlights, turning them into a mini gallery. Thoughtfully placed decor adds just the right touch of personality. The real showstopper? That wooden panel backdrop with a mounted TV. Minimalist, yet luxurious. It's clean, warm, and gives the room a designer finish. To complete the look, we brought in full-length charcoal curtains, modern abstract art, and a touch of nature with a tall indoor plant. And let's not forget the lighting. Ceiling spotlights, warm LED strips, and that elegant gold chandelier tie it all together. Soft, layered, and ambient, creating a calm, relaxing vibe. This room went from ordinary to extraordinary, where every detail tells a story of elegance, comfort, and modern living. Thanks for watching this transformation. If you loved it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more design inspirations.